Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Instagram so you can see more posts without restrictions. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app and go to the bottom right corner to tap on your profile picture. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Content Preferences. Now, tap on Sensitive Content. By default, it may be set to Standard or Less. Below each option, you will see a description of what type of content you can view. To enable more sensitive content, select More. Instagram will display a message informing you that this content may not be suitable for everyone. Simply tap Confirm, and that's it. Now you know how to enable sensitive content on Instagram. In a previous video, we showed you how to add a song to your Instagram profile. Be sure to check it out.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.